Wait, don't hit the ball, hit the car. Come on, man. You were supposed to hit the car. Holy.
Alright, so my car has been a mess. My car has been sitting in a shop for 50 days and we've got nowhere with it. So it's been a while since I picked up the camera. It's because the car has been gone. I haven't had any content between work and everything. But the M4, it sat for so long at a shop, we went and picked it up. And it's actually right in front of me. Not doing anything with it. We are ordering parts. Today though is a different car that we get to play with. It's a 370Z and we're doing an exhaust on it.
I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glued hands. Like I don't believe in new friends. Tread light, I know the ice thin. I drop the song, get a few wins. I crave the comfort in my own skin. Really, I just want to feel the world spin.
Oh, my name is Reuben. I work with Bailee. This is my 370. Really don't know too much of it. I got another car. It's a G37 and I got Acura TL. I fixed my Acura TL. All I gotta do is put my coilovers back on and my runs back on and I'll be back into the stance game. Then this car is gonna exhaust today. It's really it mostly.
So he says he got this exhaust and it's a single exit. So originally he was thinking about doing dual, which I don't know, it would have been pretty cool.
It would.
But I love a single exit. I really want to do a single exit when we build Christina's car because it's already a single exit if we ever build it. But this is the muffler. For some reason, I've always dreamed of having this muffler. I don't know if it's because of Supras, you'd always see it. I mean, I'm sure they're all a little bit different. Now this is a Greddy RS Race, correct?
Yeah, correct.
And it comes with a white pipe, so it's made for what year range?
I think it's 19 through 09.
Yeah. But super hyped on it. Earlier I was trying to make car noises out of it. There's just no way I can do that with one hand. But it has all the piping and, well, he just pulled the car in and we gotta let it cool down for a little bit. I have no idea what we're gonna do in the meantime. What I've been doing is I clean up the rear diffuser. I'll probably have to sand this down and re-clear it. Same thing with these here. And all the carbon fiber on them four is pretty trash. The front lip, the brand new one, yeah, brand new one. It's already busted, and the side extensions, remember I bought new ones, but I ended up selling them. Well, I did that because I have a reason, but now that my car blew up, that reason might actually be pushed back a little longer. It doesn't matter. It will look ugly for a short bit. We are working with, does it start with the white pipe there? Dude, that's so rusty.
Oh, it's hot, bro.
Hot. I think it connects from there.
Bro, it's
and then it goes all the way back,
bro,
so it's cat back, so those are cats.
So rusty, bro.
It's not that bad. The only thing rusty is where the welds are there, and then you got the exhaust.
They suck at welding. That's exactly what this
bro,
means.
You need to chill. It's good.
They suck at welding. That's exactly what that means. I can weld better than that. You wild, bro. I don't know why you throwing them at me, man. I don't want you to holler at folks.
Thanks, buddy. So far, we have the 4 bolts off on the front where the white pipe are, and now we're taking these bolts off. We can't get a wrench or ratchet on there, which we're looking for a smaller socket. Once we get that off, I'm going to start working on the hangers, and we do not have that hanger tool that pulls it out, so we're going to have to use screwdrivers and muscle. Woo! Sketchy. You did it. Oh, you did it.
It don't look like it's fitting on there for me.
It's not. Now it is. And that's how you bust your sockets, but it's also how you save about 10 hours of your life. Oh, shoot.
What?
Oh, there you good. You only have 4 hangers, there's not very many. 4 fun hangers. This isn't hot down here, so we're good too.
Down there?
Yeah, we're cool.
I'm trying to figure out if I want full send, no cuts. I'm just gonna find a straight pipe. I mean a test pipe.
If you would have said that, I would have drilled it out. Because I have a giant drill bit about that big around at her mom's.
But when my engine light turn on?
Yeah, chill.
Oh my gosh.
Not bad for your car.
It's bad for me though. It's gonna give me PTSD.
I bend it downwards first.
I think you get anxious. You get anxious.
I'm hyped. I just have no more room to bend it because of this.
Oh yeah.
You're right.
It's over, man. I'm already full sending at this point. I'm already full sending.
Sun. You can go close the garage. That sun is brutal. The concrete is like 200 degrees. You can close it or stop. I think it'd be easier to just take off the whole bracket. Times 10.
I've been saying that. Alright, telling people to race the Z before you race me.
You racing?
You're gonna start telling people to race the Z before you race me.
Oh shoot. Hey, can you come hold the exhaust?
Oh shit.
The Via exhaust?
What's up?
The muffler?
Which side?
By my head. See ya.
I don't know if I can hold that, bro.
You better hold it.
I think you should move, bro. I think you should move, bro. I think you should move. I really think you should move. You don't want to move. I think you should move, bro. I think you should hold up on the other thing.
What are you talking about?
This is not good.
What's
Look at me.
Bro,
I'm a rock stuck in the hard place.
bro, you better hold it.
Bro, it's going to drop to the freaking rim. It is over.
It is over.
Bro, I'm gonna start. I'm pretty sure it should hold up.
Look how long those are.
Come on, Zell.
That would have taken forever. There's 6 of them.
Oh, you right, bro. You right. You right. I think you should really move.
That's all of it.
What's in? This has been mean out here.
It is bright and hot.
Oh my goodness, bro. Did you move it off?
You want to lift it?
Bro, what the hell are you doing? All right, let's go.
Ugh. Yours are actually kind of easy compared to the norm. Oh shit.
What's that?
I don't want to talk about it.
Huh?
You want to see the problem or hear about the problem?
What's the problem?
See this bolt got hammered out?
Yeah.
See this?
Yeah.
You have to cut it.
No way.
But if I send it, it might be good. Yeah, we have a problem. This is not fun. Oh my god.
What?
There's no way in heck I'm cutting it with an inch worth. It's not doing anything. Alright, well, Reuben's gonna have to go buy us a diamond bit for the Dremel. There's a bolt that you can't get out. I tried hammering it because there's a heat shield, hoping the heat shield would like press in enough. It doesn't. It hits the main pipe and it's on the cats. If you are replacing the cats, you shouldn't have this problem, so you won't have to do what we have to do. But if you do have cats, you're not removing your cats like Reuben because he's scared of an engine code, you're gonna have to cut 2 bolts. 2 bolts total. You can't get like a normal saw up there unless you take them down, so we're gonna go buy a Dremel bit. I have a specific Dremel bit that I like. I've gone to Lowe's and Home Depot twice in the past like 6 months for it, and they've been sold out every time. It's really good, and it lasts quite a bit of time too. It's hot.
What's hot?
It's hot.
What's hot?
Don't want to talk about it. I burned myself. Really hot. Oh, oh, Now we don't even know.
I got grab this way, but it gotta be like this.
It's a 50-50 shot. 50-50.
Oh, no.
Just give it to me. Oh, no.
Wait, don't hit the ball, hit the car. Come on, man. You weren't supposed to hit the car. Holy. What are you doing? You first. Alright, pull it up. Oh my goodness. Okay, no, freaking, you gotta rotate it. You gotta go up. You're not rotating it. You're rotating the wrong way. Okay, yeah. Flex it in. I'm doing this shit ever again.
I was laughing so hard. Yeah, we don't tighten everything down until it's all put together, so.
Very high. When I say, bro, like this is just this is nice. This is
high.
What?
You know me, I think it needs more loud.
I think it needed to be more loud too.
You gotta do the cats.
I think we're gonna test pipe it. I can't explain how this made me feel. Like, just to have something I dreamed of.
Yeah.
This is like.
Alright guys, keep in mind that this thing's not tuned. It is completely factory right now. And the problem with that, and what I'm saying, is it's revving a little weird, and it only revs up to 5,000 RPM, so it doesn't have like that pop or you get it. But there is a major improvement. Reuben was saying with the old exhaust, I'd never drove this thing with the stock exhaust, but it was all engine, so now there's an exhaust note, which is really cool, and it looks so good. He plans on doing cats now and test pipes and tune. That's worth looking forward to. There it is.
Bro, that thing, yeah, but it sounds so good.
It does. It sounds really good. All right, let's get it.
Bro, I suggest this to anybody who does this. But full send on the turbos, though.
So it's definitely worth it.
Yeah, it's worth it. But you got a full send on the turbos. We gotta do that.
Turbos.
We're not finna.
You with the single exit? I don't know, man. It'd be so cool though.
I know. I just wanted that. Psh,
yeah.
That psh. I don't mind with the sound like this speed, because then I'd be looking like a Mustang out here.
This dude wants a Coyote swap his 370Z really
just
bad.
imagine that.
That's all he talks about.
You don't think that's gonna be interesting?
It's interesting. What do you guys think in the comment section?
They're gonna think we should.
Alright, well, that wraps up the exhaust on the 370Z, and I think it sounds damn good.
Yeah,
and I know he loves it.
Yeah.
So, and the thing is that's the first mod on this car. And you know how normally you mod a car once, you kind of can't stop? We'll see if that happens to Reuben, because I think it will.
We were thinking about the Mustang vents.
You know the vents that are on the M4 on the hood? I'm trying to convince him. I kind of brought it up. The hood would be pretty cool on 370Z. Earlier when we pulled in, he scraped it really bad because he went at an angle in the front, and then on the back he just drove right up.
Didn't even think about it. Hey, when we get to your house, I'm gonna do a full send at your house.
Yeah.
Traction control off and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Full send. See you, bud.